Let's go to dark mode. And I'm gonna go into sounds off the block, and I'm going to grab the sound off the block drums, right? So I could build my own kit and play something, but let's find something that kind of works. So what I'm gonna do is go into the MIDI browser, and what's dope about this, you can search. So I can actually search sound off the block, and you see it pops up, right? No matter what I type, I can search anything in the MIDI browser. I can search keys, you know, I can search R and B, you know, I can search a beat, I can search a key like A flat. You know what I'm saying? It's really, really dope. So we're using sound off the block. So I'm gonna pull up some of the sound off the block's drums. I like that. So here's dope. You find something that you like, then click right here, drag it straight in. All right, I'm gonna try something here. Let's see. Let's go back to the MIDI browser. So I got this lead sound on here. Let me see if I'm on the right sound. Now I could play something, but let's see if we got something in the MIDI browser that'll cover that sound. I don't know. So first we gotta get, well, here's something that's really, really dope. If I can find something, now I could search for something that's in the key of F, right? Like I can literally search F, and I got this, but that's chords, right? I can go down here and see if I got a melody line that's in F major. That's a chord. This is an F. Too slow. It's a chord. Let's search it down to melody. So I got all these different melody lines that we got in here, right? This is an F sharp. What's this doing? But here's dope. I got transpose in here, right? I got transpose. So I could literally take this down an octave, down a note, and get. That's dope. It might not. Now that's dope. I like that. But maybe that's something like a bell sound. So let's just see what we got on bells. Got light bells. Let's see how that sounds with bells. Now I can turn it up. I can go it up an octave. I can take it up an octave. I think that's crazy, right? fun. If you have not checked out Peculiar Sounds V2, make sure you hop on and check it out. I think you guys will be pleasantly surprised at all of the stuff that we've done. There's plenty of things that you can get. My man says, I want this. Make sure you hop over to the website, gospelproducers.com. It will, you'll see it on there on the front page as soon as you go to gospel. If not, the link is right there in the description of this video, on whether you watch it on YouTube, Facebook, wherever the case may be, it is right there. You can jump in and grab it. So make sure you guys hop over there and get that. I think it will bless your ministry on that. So we got V2. It's on sale for right now until July the 4th for $199. You can cross grade. If you own version 1, you can cross grade to it for 99 bucks. All right, and you can go from there. But make sure you guys take this opportunity while it's on sale, because it's going to go up to $249 after that. That is where we are with it. For everything that this plugin offers, I think it's well worth the price of tea in China, as they say. So we appreciate you guys for hanging out.